Welcome to our quick guide on the Nonconformance Workflow application, your all-in-one solution for managing incidents, investigations, and corrective actions in a structured and efficient way. At the heart of the system is the Nonconformance Portal, a centralized dashboard where users can easily track all incidents, including product defects, customer complaints, environmental issues, and near misses. Here you can view total incidents, monitor open and resolved cases, see the average severity score, capture new nonconformance reports, and action your assigned tasks. Let's break down the workflow from start to finish. The workflow starts when a nonconformance is captured. This could be a product quality issue, environmental concern, or even a customer complaint. The report is then assigned to an investigator, who performs a root cause analysis to understand why the issue occurred. Next, the investigator assigns a task to someone responsible for creating a corrective action plan, which can contain one or more corrective actions to prevent recurrence. Once the action plan is completed, tasks are allocated to the responsible individuals who will complete the corrective actions, which will in turn close the case. Each user has a personalized work list where they can see their tasks, like investigations or action plans, and track progress in real time. As shown here, incidents move through various stages like draft, in progress, resolved, and closed, giving full visibility into every step of the process. You can also see the type of issue, who reported it, and the current workflow state like root cause analysis or action plan under review. This nonconformance workflow application ensures that every incident is captured, investigated, and resolved systematically, promoting accountability, safety, and continuous improvement. Please check out our follow-up videos where we will discuss each step in more detail, and as always, contact us for more information.